Welcome to my channel English with Pooja. Learn English, love English. So today is day 2 of spoken English. Let's practice the contraction with all the type of subjects. The basic structure is I am and the short form is Example, I am Ram or Ram. You have to practice this structure with all the subjects like he is speaking, he is speaking. This is the way you have to practice. Am I Priya? Yes, you are. These are the short question and answers which we need to know if we want to speak English. This is a positive answer. One answer is positive and two answers are negative. There are two ways you can answer in a negative way. Am I Priya? Yes, you are. No, you're not. No, you aren't. Is he Sam? Yes, he is. No, he isn't. No, he's not. Is it Tommy? Yes, it is. No, it's not. No, it isn't. Are you Rahul? Yes, I am. No, I'm not. या फिर no, I'm not. Are we students? Yes, we are. No, we're not. No, we aren't. Simple present tense. Simple present tense is required to tell your daily activities and daily routine. The formula for simple present tense is subject plus first form of verb plus object. With singular subject, we never use with singular subject, we use S and ES with the verb, and with plural subject, we do not use S and ES. Example, Ram speaks Urdu. Now here Ram is a singular subject. तो singular है तो हमने यहाँ speak के साथ S लगाया है. सीता sleeps at 10. सीता singular है तो sleep के साथ S लगा है. Girls play cricket. Girls plural है तो यहाँ पे play के साथ S या ES नहीं लगाया है. They walk slowly तो they plural है तो walk के साथ S और ES नहीं लगेगा. Simple present tense is used for daily activities and daily routine. When you want to talk about like what all you do throughout the day. So we use activities, time and joiners. We require these three things. So I wake up at 6 o'clock. Then I have my shower. So then is a connector. 6 o'clock is your time. Wake up is your activity. So we have got list of activities. Wake up, get up, brush teeth, take a shower, get dressed, have breakfast, offer prayers, go to work. And it may vary from like person to person. So around, after that, and in the morning, these are your connectors and time. So what you have to do is your assignment is that you make your daily routine by using these connectors, time and activities. You have to use simple present in your structure. The first word is garbage. Last में बेज की sound नहीं आनी चाहिए. It should sound bidge. Garbage. Poem. Monk. Monk. Vegetable. E is silent here. Vegetable. Dessert is a sweet dish and desert is Registan. It's dessert, and the other one is with single S, it is desert. Onion. Controversy. Okay, let us learn. There are two type of sounds, long sound and short sound. Today we'll see E sound, short E sound and long E sound. Short E sound में हम जल्दी बोलते हैं, हमारी स्पीड ज़्यादा होती है, like bit, sit, hit, brick, hip. और जो लॉन्ग साउंड होती है उसमें हम थोड़ा सा धीरे बोलते हैं, बीट, इसको थोड़ा लंबा करते हैं, सीट, हीट, ब्रीच, हीप. अब इधर बिन, इन दोनों की प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम है. जिप, प्रिक, बीन, बीम, जीप, पीच. Then we have intonation. Intonation, we have like three types of intonation. Rise, we can see rise in intonation sometimes. We can notice fall in intonation and sometimes the intonation is flat. इंटोनेशन का मतलब होता है कि आप कितना कहाँ स्ट्रेस देते हैं, हाई पिच पे बोल रहे हैं, लो पिच पे बोल रहे हैं, आपकी सेंटेंसेस में म्यूजिकल नोट्स कितने हैं, उस टाइप पे डिपेंड करता है. तो हमारे पास क्वेश्चंस होते हैं. जब क्वेश्चंस आपके स्टार्ट होते हैं डू, हैव, कैन, विल, डज, आर, हैज, इज, या जब क्वेश्चन का आंसर हो या तो यस में आएगा या फिर नो में आएगा, तो हम हमेशा क्या करते हैं, जो इंटोनेशन होता है लास्ट में जाके हाई हो जाता है, राइज हो जाता है. I'll speak out the sentences for you, read it out. You notice the intonation. Do you like pizza? Have you tried eggs? Can you swim? Will you go? Does he eat meat? Are you hungry? Has he gone? Is he crying? तो लास्ट वर्ड पे पिज्जा, एग्स, स्विम, गो, मीट, हंग्री, गॉन, क्राइंग, यहाँ पे राइज आ रहा है आवाज में. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड राइजिंग इंटोनेशन. तो जब भी आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन करना है जिसका आंसर जो आपका लिसनर है वो या तो यस देगा या नो, तो आपको लास्ट में इंटोनेशन अपना रेज करना है. Let us learn some verb forms. There are 3 forms of verb: first form, second form and third form. And I've added one more like ing with first form. So first one is speak, bolna, spoke, spoken, speaking. Eat, ate, eaten, eating. Sleep, slept, slept, sleeping. Drink, drank, drunk, drinking. Learn all these forms of verb so that when we do all the other tenses, you should be aware, you should be familiar with all the verb forms. So this is all for today. So bye bye for today, and we'll do